Home security tips. Simple yet effective tips and tricks. Let's start with a quick and scary fact. Home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the United States. Many of these burglaries occur in neighborhoods, and you may be surprised, but nearly 500,000 of them occur during the daytime each year. Fortunately, there are many quick, simple steps you can take to make your home more secure. In this video, I'll share with you 11 easy to implement home security tips you can use right away to secure your home even more and feel relaxed with your family. Let's begin. Locking doors and windows. I know it sounds so obvious that it's even ridiculous I mention it, but the truth is that 1/3 of all home burglars enter through unlocked doors and windows. People feel safe and comfortable in their communities with the people they know and love. They choose not to lock the doors and windows at all times or simply forget about it. Many burglars will go from home to home seeking easy opportunities, so first things first, lock your doors and windows. Adding a deadbolt protector. Most burglars will know how to pick your locks, even seemingly pick-proof deadbolts. So, one way to further secure your main doors is adding a deadbolt protector, which slides the lock over your deadbolt to prevent it from turning. Landscaping. Consider using thorny, prickly or spiky plants under first floor windows. You can also lay down loose gravel or rock in flower beds. These materials tend to be noisier and burglars like to stay quiet. Thank you for choosing to watch our video. If you enjoyed so far, please like it and subscribe to support our channel. We truly appreciate it. You can also hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos to the channel. Now, let's continue. A decoy safe. Many homeowners use safes to keep their valuables protected. However, safes are signs of valuables and items of high cash value. So, consider purchasing a decoy safe that will be portable, something burglars can grab and move quickly. If they make off with the decoy safe, then your belongings and valuables won't get stolen. Installing a home security alarm. Quick fact, homes with an alarm system are 300% less likely to be burglarized than those without one. Even just advertising on a sign that your home is guarded or equipped with a home security system is enough to scare off many potential intruders. If you're hesitant to install a home security alarm system due to high costs or technical upkeep, there is a solution. Today, there are many affordable options and smartphone technology to make it easy and convenient to control and manage your system all alone. Installing a motion detector lighting. We've mentioned that many burglaries occur during the day when lighting wouldn't even be a factor, so why install a motion detector lighting? The reason is because research has shown that motion detectors deter burglars thanks to their sudden onset and possibility of alerting neighbors to suspicious activity. This is true especially when those neighbors know you're away and wouldn't be triggering the lights yourself. Motion detector lights are easy to install and extremely affordable, can be as low as $10 to $15, so we think better safe than sorry, especially if the cost is so low and affordable. Home security camera. Today you can find an all-in-one home security system that includes cameras, or you can buy them separately to supplement the system you already have installed. A lot of camera footage is shared on social media of porch pirates, people who quickly steal packages right from the front door, and it happens many times as online shopping keeps on growing by the day. The camera adds to the feeling of security, but also many homeowners use products like the Ring and Google Nest Cam, which allows them to check on their home while away and see a clear picture of people and visitors knocking on the front door before opening it. Oversharing on social media. The next time you're posting about your home on social media, think again. Posting photos of your home with the address flag visible, sharing your address through online event invites or public comments, or sharing the details of your upcoming extended vacation are all ways you open yourself up to an increased risk of home invasion. In fact, no less than 78% of burglars use Facebook and Twitter as their source of information. Remember to keep your address and home details off of social media. Double check the photos you post, Never type out your address in publicly viewable places, and keep the details about your vacation offline until you return home. Advertising large purchases. The boxes and bags you put out on the curb on trash day can tell potential burglars a lot about what valuables are inside your home. It's best to break down boxes and fold them so that the brand and product names aren't visible. If needed, use extra bags to cover them. The extra effort is worth to avoid the heartbreak of having your hard-earned possessions stolen right after you purchase them. Is someone home? There are some easy ways you can take in order to appear that someone is home in your house, even when the house is actually empty. One thing you can do is leave a light on inside, although it's done so commonly that most burglars won't think twice about the living room light being switched on. When you're out of the house for a vacation or a long period of time, you can leave a car in the driveway, use timed lighting, indoor and outdoor, that goes on at different times, have a friend or neighbor collect your mail, and leave a radio or TV playing inside. Train your children to call for help. It can be frightening if a burglar or an invader comes into your home while only your children are there. Teach and train your children with safety tips for when someone knocks on the door or calls the house phone. Create an emergency plan for any emergencies may arise and practice it, and teach your children how to call 911 for help. Thank you for watching. Reminding you to like our video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to support our channel. We truly appreciate it. For interesting and useful articles about survival, off-grid living, camping and more, please visit our site. For more videos, visit our channel. Have a safe and wonderful day.